Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into substitution. 5 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Swap, which means an act of exchanging one thing for another. Swap. For example, he was on the lookout for a job swap. Number 2. Interchange, which means the action of interchanging people or things. Interchange. For example, the interchange of ideas between the producers and the end users. Number 3. Switch, which means an act of changing to or adopting one thing in place of another. Switch. For example, we observed a switch from direct to indirect taxation. Number 4. Replacement, which means the action or process of replacing someone or something. Replacement. For example, the wiring was in urgent need of replacement. What do you think of these synonyms? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Moreover, you can follow the channel by hitting the subscription button.